Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Parkside 4V cordless ratchet, the model PAR4A1, with a battery without a charger. We have an integrated 4V 2Ah Li-ion battery. Max no load rotation speed is 220 RPM. Max torque when battery operated is 13.6 Nm. Manually achievable torque 67.8 Nm. Accessories included with a 3-year warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Wow, that is a huge manual. Only the cable with a length 1.5 meters, type A to type C. There's the type C port. Just plug it in. You need a 5V 2 amps. 3 indicators, different colors, red, yellow and green. And it's charging. Definitely I will fully charge it and then I will use on my tests. Soft elements around, quite heavy, I like it. And other trigger. We have a lock button. You need to press the lock button and then it's working. Otherwise it's not working. LED working light. We have the forward and reverse dial. One 4-inch. And of course, here it is the socket holder. And of course, you can use one of these sockets. With extension, not included in the box. Or an adapter for larger sockets. Power is everything when you are using that type of tools, so definitely I would like to test it and see the torque, how it's performing in real conditions. But before that we need to wait until it will fully charge. We have a solid green light, it's fully charged. And with a speed control, you can adjust the speed. I will definitely like to try on this wood, only with this screw, and then some tests at my car. Nice! I really like the compact size, the simple controls and how much easier it makes repetitive tasks compared to using a manual ratchet. If you ever spend 20 minutes clicking a manual ratchet one tooth at a time in a cramped engine bay, you'll know how much of a lifesaver this tool is. It's small and nimble, and while it's not extremely powerful, it's all about speed and access. For the price of a decent lunch, only 22 euros, you can avoid hand cramps and frustration. It's the perfect helper tool for the time-conscious DIYer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more Parkside tool reviews and workshop tests. Thanks for watching. Keep building and I'll see you in the next one.